Come closer, let me tell you a story. Story of two hearts, born beneath the same sky, yet torn apart by fate. We were children on the same old road, where the mountains sang with the wind. Your eyes were shining like midnight stars, and my heart whispered your name within. By the rivers, by the falling leaves, in the silence we would dream. Two souls tied before we knew what love was meant to me. Then the dark day came like a storm. Fate placed its hand between us. You were given to a man who never knew your heart, and I lived a life that never truly was. We smiled in rooms that felt so cold, played roles we couldn't escape. Two living hearts in borrowed lives, bound by silent name. Lord, our fate was never kind. Two hearts searching, lost in time. We lived our lives with someone new, but my soul remained with you. Lord, the road led us home. We were never meant to be alone. In every life we tried to start, you were the missing part. Years went by like autumn winds, turning gold to memory. Our hair grew pale, our steps grew slow, but love refused to leave. Buried deep beneath the dust, fire still remained. Not alive, not gone, just waiting there through silence and the pain. One day on a narrow street in a city far from it, I saw your face, you saw mine. Time stood still again. The world fell quiet in our eyes, no words could find their way. All the years we lived apart faded in that day. Your eyes were filled with unshed tears, my heart turned into stone. So close yet frozen in the past, two souls still alone. Lord, we stood face to face, two lost lives in one embrace. No touch, no word, just silent art. Two lifetimes, one heart. Lord, this is a love that never died, a story fate could never hide. Two broken paths, one endless flame, and love still call our name.